So in this video, I will show you how to add more than one video in one frame in CapCut. So let's start the video. Now import your video to the timeline like this. So after you import the first video, go to this option. So after you click on this menu, so go to guideline and ruler. So enable the horizontal and the vertical one. So select this one, go to this, so and add the vertical. So now I have four different categories on my screen. So all you have to do, select the first video and adjust the scale. After you adjust scale, so now take it to this side and I take it to this side like this. So you can just adjust the duration. So after you adjust it, so now as you can see, now I have the first video in this option. Now select the second video timeline. So now here is my second video. I'll adjust the scale in this option. So after you adjust the scale, so now take it to this option. So now I have the second video in this side of the video like this. So now take the inside your next video. So for the next video, I'll just go ahead now and insert this one and adjust it. Make sure the video to be at the beginning of your timeline. So select the first video, go to scale and take it to this side. So if you want, you can just use one scale. So by selecting the first one, so I see how much scale it says 50. So I'll use the same scale. So I'll select this one, go to the scale and make sure it is 50%. So I'll just take it to this option so it will fit the position. So that's it. So select the last one you want to add. So you can add as many as you can. So I'll just select this one and add it at the first. So I'll go ahead to the scale and make it to 50%. Make it to 50%. So after I make it to 50%, here is it now. Now take it to the side. So now as you can see, now I have different 4 videos on my timeline. If I play all the videos will start playing. So if you play all the videos will start playing at the same time. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.